Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts, to part 2 of our series, Easy Guide. Testing your starting motor system. We're diving deeper into advanced testing techniques and troubleshooting methods. Grab your multimeter, and let's continue this enlightening journey through the intricacies of your vehicle's starting motor system. Preparing to test the starting motor system. Before delving into testing your starting motor system, it's essential to take the necessary precautions to ensure safety and gather the tools required for the task. Safety precautions. When dealing with a vehicle's starting motor system, safety should be the top priority. Ensure that the vehicle is parked on a level surface and the transmission is in park for automatic transmission, or in gear for manual transmission. Engage the parking brake to prevent the vehicle from rolling during the test. Additionally, disconnect the vehicle's battery to minimize the risk of electrical accidents. Protective gear such as safety goggles and gloves should be worn throughout the testing procedure to guard against any unexpected mishaps. Gathering necessary tools. To carry out an effective test of the starting motor system, it's imperative to have the right tools on hand. The following are the essential tools required. Multimeter. This tool is crucial for checking the electrical current and voltage in the starting motor system. Be sure to select a multimeter with a range suitable for automotive use. Socket set. An assortment of sockets and ratchets will be necessary for accessing the starter motor and related components. Remote starter switch. This tool allows for the remote activation of the starter motor, enabling a safe test without starting the vehicle's engine. Wire brush. A wire brush will help clean any corrosion or debris from electrical connections, ensuring accurate test readings. Safety gear. As mentioned above, safety goggles and gloves are essential for protecting against potential hazards. By taking the aforementioned safety precautions and assembling the necessary tools, you'll be well prepared to proceed with testing the starting motor system of your vehicle. Testing the starting motor system. Your vehicle's starting motor system is essential for initiating the engine. Testing the different components of the starting motor system is crucial to ensure that your vehicle starts reliably. Here's how you can test the battery, starter solenoid, and starter motor to diagnose any potential issues. Testing the battery. The first step in testing the starting motor system is to check the battery. Start by visually inspecting the battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage of the battery. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. Anything significantly lower may indicate a weak or failing battery that needs replacing. Additionally, perform a load test to check the battery's ability to hold a charge under load. If the battery fails these tests, it may be time for a replacement. Testing the starter solenoid. The starter solenoid is responsible for transmitting electrical current from the battery to the starter motor. To test the solenoid, start by ensuring all connections to the solenoid are secure. Then, using a multimeter, check for continuity between the solenoid's terminals when the ignition key is turned to the start position. If there's no continuity, the solenoid may be faulty and in need of replacement. Testing the starter motor. The starter motor is what physically cranks the engine to start the vehicle. To test the starter motor, begin by checking the electrical connections for corrosion or looseness. Next, use a multimeter to measure the voltage at the starter motor while attempting to start the vehicle. If the motor is receiving power but not engaging, it may be faulty. Another method is to perform a voltage drop test across the starter motor's terminals. A high voltage drop indicates resistance and a potential issue with the motor. Testing these components of the starting motor system can help diagnose starting issues and ensure that your vehicle starts reliably. If any of these tests reveal problems, consider seeking professional automotive assistance to address the issues promptly. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll delve into troubleshooting common starting motor system problems and potential solutions. Interpreting test results. When interpreting test results for your starting motor system, it's essential to look for specific indicators that can help identify potential issues. This process involves understanding the test readings and recognizing patterns that could point towards underlying problems. Identifying potential issues. When analyzing test results, be on the lookout for irregularities such as unusually low or high voltage readings, inconsistent amp draw, or abnormal resistance levels. These deviations can signal potential issues within the starting motor system, including issues with the battery, solenoid, or starter motor itself. Pay attention to any unusual sounds or smells during the testing process, as these could also offer clues about the system's health. Hey there! If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Understanding test readings. Understanding test readings involves interpreting the voltage, amperage, and resistance measurements obtained during the diagnostic procedure. Voltage readings should align with specifications provided by the manufacturer, while amperage draw should remain steady within the expected range. Additionally, resistance measurements across different components should match the prescribed values. A thorough understanding of these readings can help in pinpointing the root cause of any abnormalities detected during testing. Taking corrective actions. When you have identified issues with your starting motor system, it's essential to take corrective actions promptly to ensure the smooth functioning of your vehicle. This involves repairing or replacing components and implementing routine maintenance tips. Repairing or replacing components. If you have diagnosed a specific fault in the starting motor system, it's crucial to address it by either repairing or replacing the affected components. This could involve dealing with issues such as a faulty starter solenoid, damaged wiring, or worn-out drive gear. Ensure that you have the necessary tools and expertise to carry out these repairs effectively. If the components are beyond repair, sourcing and installing replacements may be necessary to restore the functionality of the starting motor system. Routine maintenance tips. In addition to addressing immediate faults, incorporating routine maintenance practices can help prevent future issues with your starting motor system. Regularly inspecting the battery, ensuring proper electrical connections, and checking for signs of corrosion can go a long way in maintaining the health of the starting motor. Furthermore, conducting periodic checks on the starter motor's brushes, armature, and commutator can help identify potential issues before they escalate. By adhering to these maintenance tips and promptly addressing component faults, you can significantly prolong the lifespan and efficiency of your vehicle's starting motor system. In conclusion, testing your starting motor system is crucial for maintaining the overall health and performance of your vehicle. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can easily diagnose and address any issues with your starting motor system, ensuring that your car starts smoothly every time. Remember to regularly inspect and test the various components of the starting motor system to catch any potential problems early on. With a well-maintained starting motor system, you can enjoy peace of mind and avoid unexpected breakdowns on the road. So, don't wait until it's too late. Take the time to test your starting motor system today and keep your vehicle running smoothly for miles to come. As we conclude our two-part series on testing your starting motor system, we hope the advanced techniques and troubleshooting methods discussed in Part 2 empower you to diagnose and resolve issues confidently. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.